52. Let us understand. Good morning, children. In your maths class, chapter 16, lines, angles and circles. So today we are going to do or learn about complementary angles and supplementary angles. So complementary angles, they add angles that add up to 90 degree. They are called complementary angle. As you can see, 52 and 38, they add up to make 90 degree. And supplementary angles, angles that add up to 180. So 128 and 52, if we add, we will get 180. Understand that in detail. So complementary angles. Two angles are complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degrees. So if the angle they measure, if the angle they measure 90 degree, that means the sum should be equal. When they add up, two angles are there, they are adding, when they added and the sum comes to 90 degree, that means they are complementary angle. As you can see over here, as we can see that this is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. So when we add 60 plus 30, we get 90. We get 90. That means this is a complementary. This is complementary angle, or these both are complement to each other. So each angle is the complement of the other. That means the 60 degree is the complement of 30 degree, and they add up and make 90 degree. So these are called complementary angles. So now two angles are complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degree. Here also we can see one angle is 70 degree, the other angle is 20 degree. When we add 70 plus 20, how much do we get? We get 90 degree. So they are complementary angles. Now see, what are complementary angles? Two angles are called complementary angles if the sum of their degree measurement equals 90 degrees. So that is 90 degree we have read. 90 degree means what? Right angle. One of the complementary angle is said to be the complement of the other. As we can say that angle CBD. So come on, see. ABC is the complement of CBD. Is the complement of CBD. Why? Because 50 plus 40, they make 90 degree. We can say that ABC is complement of CBD, or angle CBD is the complement of angle ABC. Now the two angles do not need to be together or adjacent. So it is not necessary that both the angles should be joined to each other, that they should be together or adjacent. Adjacent means they should be joined to each other. See, they just need to add up to 90 degrees. So they only should when added, they should make 90 degrees. So if the two complementary angles are adjacent, they will form a right angle. So when they are adjacent, adjacent means joined to each other. So what they are going to make, like in this, you can see that 90. So 40 degree plus 50 degree plus 40 degree, it is making 90 degree, and they are adjacent to each other. That means they are attached to each other and they are making a right angle. 90 degree makes a right angle. Now see, complementary angles add up to 90 degree. So here adjacent and complementary how? See, What I said, when they are joined to each other, when the angles they are joined to each other, they are adjacent angle. Like this 30 degree, it is joined to 60 degree. That means this 30 is adjacent to this. So adjacent and complementary angle. And here what happens? Complementary angle but not adjacent. So see, this is 40 degree, this is 50 degree. Okay. And when you add them, 40 plus 50, then also we will get how much? 90 degree. But here what is there? You can see that they are not adjacent. Adjacent means they are not joined together. Okay, they are not joined together, they are apart. So they are complementary to each other. That means 50 plus 40, they are going to make 90 degree, but they are not added together, they are not joined together. And in this figure we can see that they are joined together and they are making 30 plus 60, they are also 90 degree. So these are the complementary angles when they add up to make 90 degree. Then we are going to read about the supplementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then they are said to be supplementary angle. So if the sum of two angles, when we add two angles and making their sum as 180, when their sum comes to be 180 degree, that means they are supplementary angle. Complementary angles we have read that they are making 90 degree right angle, and here what they are doing, they are making 180 degree, that means a straight angle. So if the sum of the two angle is 180, then they are said to be supplementary. So 120 plus 60, when we add, then we get 180. If two angles are supplementary, then they are the supplement to each other. So two angles, if they are adding, if they are added and we get the sum as 180 degree, then they will be said to be supplement to each other. Now one thing, let us see. Now if I have, wait. Suppose if I am having this type, now this is 50, this is suppose 60, when I am adding this, how much I get? 60 plus 50 is 110. Then is this a supplementary angle? So this is not a supplementary angle, this is not a supplementary angle. Why? Because when added, they are not making 180 degree, they don't make 180 degree or a straight angle. So they are not supplementary angles. So remember, two angles are supplementary if the sum of the measures is 180 degree. Each angle is the supplement of the other. These are supplements of each other because their angles add up to 180 degree. So the angles when added, it is making 180 degree. 160 plus 20. Let us add and see. So 160 plus 20 0 8 1 180 degree. So what it became? It became a straight angle. It became a straight angle. That means these 20 and 160, they are supplement of each other. They are supplement of each other. So they are making supplementary angles. So here also let us see with more example. The two angles below 140 degree plus 40 degree are supplement angles because the measurement add up to 180. So notice when the two angles are put together, they form a straight line. Yes. So see, 140 and 40 when they are put, they are making a straight line. That means That is a straight angle. Okay, that is a straight angle, and that is what? That is also called the supplementary angle. Okay, supplementary angle 140 plus 40. Add and see, we will get 180. That is supplementary angle. Then here also 120 plus 60. Add and see, we get 180 degree. And that will be supplementary angle. So children, with more examples I will show you on board. So thank you now. So children, in this video I am going to tell you how to find out the complementary angles of the angles. So we are doing chapter 16, lines, angles and circles, and I am going to explain you about the complementary angles and the supplementary angles. So first, if any angle is given, okay, if suppose the angle is 45 degree and we have to find out the complementary angle of 45 degree. So what do you mean by the complementary angle? When two angles added together gives 90 degree, okay, or forms a right angle, that means that is making the two angles when added together they make complementary angles, or both the angles are complement of each other. So we have to make this 45 as 90. So what are we going to add in this, or which is the number, which degree is missing, so that it comes 90 degree. So for this what we will have to do? We will have to subtract 45 from 90. Okay, so 45 from 90, when we subtract, then how much do we get? Let us see. So this is 5 and this is 0. It cannot be subtracted. So what we are going to do? We will take 1 and make it 10. Now this became 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. This was 9. This became 8. Now 8 minus 4 is 4. So 90 minus 45, we have got 45. So the complementary angle of 45 degree is 45 degree. So this is the way we are going to find out the complementary angle of the angles given. So suppose the angle is 70 and you have to find out the complementary angle of 70. Then what we are going to do? We will take, we know that we have to make the 70 as 90. Okay, what angle we are going to add in this so that this becomes 90? So for that what we will do? We will write 90 minus 70. Okay, then we will get what is the complementary of this. Okay, what is the complementary angle of this? So subtract 70 from 90. 0, 9 minus 7, 2. So we get 20 over here. So this 20 degree is the complement angle of 90. Okay, of 70. Okay, now write the measures of the supplementary angles of the following angles. Now we have to find out the measure of the supplementary angles for the following. So for this what we have to do? So supplementary angles, how much it is? When the angles added together makes 180 degree. Okay, so supplementary angles when added together, okay, when added together makes 180 degree, then that is a supplementary angle. That angles when added together make 180. Now suppose the angle is 60 degree. Okay, the angle is 60 degree. Then how much we are going to add in this 60 to make it 180? Okay, how much we will add in this 60 to make 180? For that, what we will do? We will subtract 60 from 180. 0, 8 minus 6, 2 and 1. So we will add 120 degree in 60 to make it a supplementary angle. So supplementary, write the measures of the supplementary angles of the following. So the measure of the supplementary angle for 60 is 120. So for if suppose this is 135, okay, 135, then what we will do? We will subtract from 180 135. This cannot be subtracted. 5 from 0, go to this, borrow 1 from here, make it 10, make this 7. So 5 when subtracted from 10, you will get 5 over here. This is 7, 7 minus 3 is 4 and 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the supplementary angle? So the supplementary angle of 135 is 45. Okay, so 45 degree is the supplement of 135. So this way we have to find out. Now in this question you have been given, choose the pair of supplementary angles. So choose the pair of supplementary in question number 8. Okay, it has been given choose the pair of complementary angle, and in question number 9 it has been given choose the pair of supplementary angles. So for question number 8, first of all let us do so complementary angle. So what you have to see here, that the for question 8 complementary angles are there. So you will have to see that when the two angles which have been given, okay, they should add up and make 90 degree. So first it has been given 30 and 150. Okay, so as you see, number A of 8 is 30 and 150. So what do we see? That when we add 150 plus 30, we get 180. So is this a complementary angle? So this is not a complementary angle. Why? Because this is 180. Okay, it should be 90 degree. Okay, this should be 90 degree, but this is 180. This is supplementary. Okay, these two are supplement to each other. So this is, so first one 8A, that is not. Okay, now 76 and 14. So add that and see, 76 plus 14, 6 plus 4, 10, write 0, carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 90 degree. So is this complementary? So 92 angles added together, we got 90. So is this complementary? Yes, this is complementary, because they have added together, they have been added together and made 90 degree. So this is the way you will find out whether the pair of angles are complementary or not in question 8. Now 9 number. In 9 number the same thing, only you have to find out whether it is supplementary or not. So to find out supplementary, the angles added together should form 180 degree. So first one, 9A, 60, 30. When we add 60 plus 30, what do we get? 0 plus, then 6 plus 3, 9, 90. So is this a supplementary angle? No, this is not a supplementary angle, this is a complementary angle. So this 9A is not a supplementary angle, because when this added the sum should come 180, but it has not come 180, it has come 90, that is complementary. 180 will be supplementary. So 9A is not among the pair of the complementary angle. Now 120 and 30, when we add, we get 150. Is this supplementary? This is also not supplementary. Why? When added, it should be 180, but this is 150. So this is also not a supplementary angle. So now let us do 75 and 105. So you know how to add this. 5 plus 5, 10, put 0, 1 over here. 7 plus 1, 8, plus 0, 8, 1, 180. Now what do we see? That when we add 75 and 105, we get 180. Is this supplementary? Yes, this is supplementary, because the sum of these two angles came to be 180. So supplementary angle, when two angles added together, the sum is 180. That means that is supplementary angle. They are supplement to each other. Both the angles, they are supplement to each other, forming 180 degree. So this is what you have to do. So choose the pair of supplementary angles you can do. Choose the pair of complementary angles you can do. Write the measures of the supplementary angles of the following angles. That also we can do, and number 6 also. So try to do it in your copy nicely in good handwriting. Thank you, children.